Hello my bitty bees and welcome back to my channel. Today I once again am here in front of you with little to no makeup on. I have no skin makeup on right now, but I do have a light lip tint, a little bit of eyebrow mascara, and a little bit of mascara just on my top lashes. That is it, because it is in fact time for another skincare review video, and today, if you can tell by the title, I am reviewing a cleanser. And the cleanser that I am reviewing for you today is a new-ish launch from by Wishtrend brand. It is the by Wishtrend Acid Duo 2% Mild Gel Cleanser. So what exactly is this product? If you don't already know what it is, if you arrived here just by being a subscriber, then you may not know, but it is a dual cleanser in terms of the fact that it uses two different types of acids to kind of exfoliate, cleanse, yet hydrate the skin. So it uses BHA salicylic acid, which is a acid that penetrates deep within the skin to exfoliate and clean out the pores. BHA is one of my all-time favorite acids. It's one of the acids that helped cure my acne back in the day when I had really bad under the skin pimples, under the skin breakouts. It's really good for those kind of really deeply embedded pimples that you just can't really seem to get out on their own. It also is really good for fighting against oily skin and blackheads. The second acid that is within this cleanser right here is PHA, and PHA is kind of newly trending in the skincare realm, especially with Korean skincare brands. PHA is a type of acid that works to exfoliate the skin really lightly and really gently, while also hydrating and moisturizing the skin, making it really ideal for those who get dry skin flakes, but they suffer with dryness and irritation or skin conditions like eczema or rosacea. It really kind of helps to combat that while still having the function to help remove dead skin cell buildup. That is exactly what makes this cleanser really interesting. So it in fact has 1% of both those acids in it, and 1% is really small. So that is where the term mild comes into play. On top of that, it has a low pH, meaning it helps to balance out anyone who has a high pH level of their skin, or if their pH level just is a little bit off. It's really helpful for that. Now, aside from the technical terms in regards to this skincare product, and if you hear a weird audio in the background, my roommate's cat is playing with my stuff right now, so that's what that little kind of weird sound is. Yeah, but anyway, in terms of the actual review portion and how I feel about this cleanser, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was a little bit iffy at first. I thought it was too drying for my skin, but then at the same time it wasn't when I started using it in a long-term situation. So I actually am basically almost done this bottle. I've been testing it out for maybe a month and a half to 2 months now, meaning I've had a lot of time to try it, to see how I feel about it. And I don't know, how do I put this? It's kind of your basic gel cleanser, only not at the same time. There was nothing that was really wow for me in the whole time I've been using this product, yet at the same time, it was better than any gel cleanser I've used in the recent past. It didn't over dry my skin, it didn't leave my skin feeling dirty, it left my skin feeling very clean, yet not too overly cleansed. My skin wasn't super tight after using it, but because I have very dry skin, my skin was in fact tight after I washed my face with it, which is almost to be expected. Whenever I wash my face with anything other than an oil cleanser, my skin feels tight after, so that wasn't really surprising. But I don't know, I'm really kind of indifferent when it comes to this product. I really like it. I've been consistently using it. I haven't felt the desire to switch it up or use anything else since I've been using this, but I'm not wowed by it. It does the job well. It doesn't leave me feeling too dry or too oily. It leaves my skin clean, and what can I say? It's a really good cleanser. Now, what really is important to me when I'm using gel cleansers is I tend to use them only at the end of the day. And when I'm washing my face at the end of the day, I'm removing makeup, I'm removing junk, I'm removing skincare, I'm removing a lot of stuff from my skin, and I want that cleanser to be able to work. Now, in terms of removing makeup, this cleanser wasn't the most amazing. It does remove some of it, but for me, I use like waterproof eyeliners, I use waterproof mascaras, and it didn't really do much for that on its own. I definitely still have to go in with a makeup remover before using this cleanser to actually ensure that my skin is fully cleansed. But I do that with any cleanser. Just for me, I'll always without fail use a oil cleanser to effectively remove my makeup and then continue to do a second cleanse after. This cleanser can't remove all my hardcore makeup on its own. I definitely have to use a makeup remover beforehand, before cleansing and finishing everything off with the Acid Duo Gel Cleanser. So just as a note, if you guys are interested in purchasing this product and hoping that it will remove all your makeup, I can tell you right now it probably won't, especially if you use waterproof mascara or eyeliner. It's probably not going to get everything off, but for simple things like foundation or lip products and skincare, it'll get that off. Now, one thing I recently started to do in my videos for my reviews is showing you guys the before and after condition of my skin when using the products that I am reviewing. And for this one, I did notice that it made my skin more dry after cleansing. But with that being said, it is a gel cleanser. It is designed to help combat oiliness in the skin while also leaving some hydration. So my skin wasn't in the best condition after using this, but I honestly didn't expect it to be. This is not a skincare product that is designed to improve your skin on any drastic level. You will still need to use hydrating serums, day creams, night creams, all other skincare products after cleansing your face. Just because this product has a acid in there that's supposed to hydrate the skin doesn't mean it's going to literally hydrate your skin. It just means while you're cleansing, it's not going to be as stripping comparatively to other gel or foaming cleansers. So that is just kind of a little background on that kind of concept of it, I guess, and a little bit more of an in-depth look. If you guys want to see more of my personal opinion on this product, definitely check out my in-depth blog post down below where I will have it linked, and you can find out really more about the product that I may have missed in this video. If you guys want to buy the product, then you can definitely check out the link in the description box down below. I'll always have the products that I'm reviewing linked for you guys in case you want to go to the product page and check it out, or in case you actually want to buy the product for yourself and give it a run. It'll be there in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review was helpful to you guys. I hope it was educational, and I hope you learned something in the end of it. Remember to subscribe to see more videos. Thumbs up this video if you thought it was helpful, and of course, I will see you guys next week. Bye!